Hello, teachers. Hello, supporters. And hello, EVTs. My name is Minh Tú. I'm from Home 158. Today, I would like to talk about my homework, Day 81. Talk about your favorite TV show. Hello, EVTs. I am Minh Tú. I am from EVT, English in Mind. I would like to talk about my favorite TV show. My favorite TV show is Come Home, Father. It tells the story of a father and his great daughter. They face many challenges and learn to love and support each other. The show is heartwarming, funny, and shows the importance of family and kindness. That's all. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.